Hey gang, it's your girl Sarah. I'm back in another slime video, and today I got a slime package, like a real slime package. This is not a skit. This is not nothing. I swear, this is real. I paid this with all my money. I didn't borrow it. I didn't borrow money. I bought this package personally with my own money. So yeah. This person put fragile on it. Thank you so much for doing that. I really needed that, and I will wear it up, but that's okay. I just heard stuff too before, so yeah. Okay, it's pretty heavy too. I ordered like 7 slimes. I don't know. 10. Sorry guys, I had to get my scissors. I'm so freaking excited. This is like legit my real first slime package ever that I've ever purchased. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to open, like, hello. Are you there? Guys, this is so hard, right? Why? Oh my god, guys. So first, let me go get my borax just in case. I'll show you guys what I'm eating in a second. Sorry, I was eating hot Cheetos. But now I got my borax right here. How do I use this? Oh my god. First we're gonna find the extras. The first she gave me an extra of borax. And oh my god, thank you. I needed one of these. Half tablespoon. Thank you so much. And then a bag of candy, goodies, 2 pieces of gum, and I don't know what these are. Stuffers. Sweetheart mini chewies. Something, I don't know. I want to try them. That was good. Okay. Let me show y'all. So the slimes. And I ordered by Best Slime Shop. So I'll grab one. We got one. Best Slime Shop brownie batter. My brownie batter. Now this is supposed to have confetti things in it. So yeah, there's funny things in it. Foam beads, because they're supposed to. Okay, let's go. Okay. Ooh, on the bottom it's glossy. As I can tell right now. I feel the confettis. There is confettis in here, I promise. There's actually a lot. You guys just can't see it. It's kind of sticky. Ooh, I like this one. Okay, so basically this is it looks like just a brown base slime mixed with like microfoam beads, I think, with some fake sprinkles. That's so nice. I'm gonna be adding activator. Make sure you just over activate your slimes to where when they ship they're not as sticky. Okay. My activator is not strong, so it's pretty strong in a minute. And yeah, but it's at least better than most are. I'm so happy, like, but like the Best Slime Shop isn't a nice name for it, because like sometimes your slimes could be bad. Like, people are going to expect good slimes from you, so that's what I'm expecting, good slimes from you. On camera, it looks like a weird brown, but in real life, it's a pretty brown. But yeah, this is just basically a normal thick slime with microfoam beads and fake sprinkles. Based with basic slime, I guess. So yeah, that's it. Let's just make some more. Move on to the next slime. Oh, let's go. And I'm sorry for the bad poking because it's super tiny. Sorry. Disclaimer that I had to say. Disclaimer, this is like a 2 ounce. I think so. I don't know. Is that a 2 ounce or a 4 ounce? I think it's a 2 ounce. I think it was supposed to be a 4 ounce, but she gave me a 2 ounce, which is all good. It's okay. Sometimes you guys mess up. It's okay in life. No, this is a 4 ounce. But yeah, that's the slime. And yeah. But yeah, disclaimer, make sure you don't make the things that sharp again, because next time you need to go little tiny, like not as sharp. And dang, it inflated. It inflated too. So yeah. Where's my cap? Got that slime done. Next slime. By the Slime Shop. Blue Sea Foam. Ooh. I want it. I feel like this is a slime that would dye your hands. Who knows? Ooh, okay. Okay, I see you. Kinda dyes your hands, kinda. It's okay though. It's like a butter slime / foam slime. And yeah, it's just super glossy and I really recommend this slime. It smells so good. Again, disclaimer, this is super tiny. I'm sorry about the bad coating because it's super tiny. It's more time. Oh yeah, and I really recommend this slime. But calm down on the food coloring or paint or whatever you use, because it's not in my hands. Oh yeah, let me rate this slime first. I rate this slime a 10 out of 10. It was good. And I rate this slime, I'll rate it at the end. After I get done playing with it. 8 more. And I rate this slime like a 5 out of 10 because it dyes my hands. And yeah, I would rate it a 5 out of 10 because it dyed my hands pretty bad. So yeah, I would recommend this slime, but only if you like getting your hands dyed and if you like slimes melting on you fast. Because of the paint that I've already used is making it dye. It's making it melt fast. So yeah, I'm just rating this a 5 out of 10 just because of it. Don't really like it, you know. So far it's going on okay start. Not saying the best start just because my hands are dyed now, so yay for me. Okay, next slime. The Slime Shop. Ooh, my thick bubble gum. Hey. Okay, And she said that it's supposed to be thicker than what's his name? Joseph Anthony's Chanel number 2. So we are about to see, because if y'all didn't know already, Joseph Anthony's uses glue all for it. Everybody should know that already. And I think she used school glue because I feel like school glue and it's super glossy like school glue. So yeah, she used school glue. Oh my, yeah, already way better. Like, bomb. Like, I really recommend this slime. It smells like bubblegum. It's thick, like, bro. Oh my god. I don't think I ordered any clear slimes. Maybe next time. Done. That was the ASMR, guys. I'm sorry. I ain't trying to have this video as long as ever. Holy moly. How do these and fillet like? Under the sea again. Oh, it looks like it's gonna tie my hands. Yeah, and it does. Basically the same texture, just a different name. So yeah, I'm not gonna be touching that one. Ooh. Berry mixed. And I think she said there were supposed to be little things in it, fake sprinkles. Okay, I see you, I feel you. Okay, look, there's some. When you stretch it, you can see it too. Ooh, I like this. Ooh, this might be my favorite slime so far. Okay. Oh my god. Like how? Oh my god. Just like take a minute and let me tell y'all how good this. It looks grayish purple on camera, but in real life it's like a red velvet color, but not really. It's like a berry mixed color. When you mix blueberries and raspberry together, that's the color. And then there's those fake sprinkles in it to represent the berries, the raspberries, and whatever it's in it. The dye is coming off from playing with the slime. And it seems like this slime is inflating. But yeah, this is my favorite slime so far. Let's do some ASMR and then get on to the next slime. And that's that slime. I love it. It's my favorite, and so far my favorite. So yeah, I'm for sure going back on our account and ordering more. This it inflated a tad bit, not too much. Like no. A Flaming Hot Cheeto Crunch. Ooh, it smells pretty good. It looks like it's separated. Maybe we can like. Oh my god. I really don't want to get no foam bits in this. I'm gonna try to get some slime off. Do y'all do this to your crunchy slimes? Cause if y'all don't, I don't know what y'all doing. And then you just play with the regular slime. Oh my god. This is a regular slime though. Like, why is it so thick? Bro, what did I use to make it so thick and so glossy? Question mark. I just want a big batch of this red slime. And she did have it on her account. Slime shop, so I'm for sure going there and getting it. So yeah. Bro, do y'all see that? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I'm quaking. And it smells like flaming hot, bro. Okay, now I'm quaking. This is making me hungry. I'm gonna eat some. ASMR time. Sorry, I had to take the. Sorry, I had to take the thumbnail. So that's that slime. I think the berry mix is still my favorite. The last slime, or go ahead. This is berries. This is berries and cream. Oh my god. It's so glossy. It's so good, guys. It's a cream base and it's just blue. I would add a little bit more stuff in it, like different stuff, just to make it pop in. So yeah, that is that slime. We will do a 1 minute ASMR and then we will move on. Or 30 seconds. So yeah, that's that slime. These are all the slimes I bought. I really hope you guys enjoy. I am going to be having this box for my whole life. It is just going to be my slime box, basically. Yeah, I love y'all.